pants. I just bagged a 9 for my young G, now I'm in New York, just copping the store. And the pigs on me still watching, so I gotta watch where I step with a bang.
Oh, mate.
What? It's huge.
3 rats in the party, now got ops just pissing their pants. 8 tents in the council flat, now the yard's just full up with plants. Every time we come outside, it's hilarious. I just bagged a 9 for my young G, now I'm in Dior, just copping the store. And the pigs on me still watching, so I gotta watch where I step with this for. Ain't been to the T for a while now, I'm in the yard, just taking a...
Fucking hell. It's coming. And it's stuck. Oh my god. Well, there you go, it's practically out. Come on, you slag. Bang! Why is it not coming out? This doesn't want to come out. That's the issue. And this thing's stuck. Hang on.
Probably be alright.
How does it come out?
Fuck this, put it all back in.
Fuck, that is it.
This is where you've cross-threaded it, mate. Last bit for the transmission to come out, yeah? And you fucked it.
Shut the fuck up, you lemon. Big man's fucked it, yeah?
That man don't give a fuck, mate. The man already knows. I ain't gonna lie.
Why is it so like...
Why is it so like it wants to fucking kill itself?
But we'll just carry on, mate.
It's Toyota, innit? Do you know what I mean?
Killing itself, mate. Oh.
It'll be alright. Maybe it's just got some Loctite in it.
Exactly that. You're right, mate. It does. Just go harder, mate. It's just got Loctite because it's Toyota. And Toyota bolts don't snap, mate. This is Toyota, bro. Toyota bolts no snap. 30 years old. Where's your fucking Vauxhall? 30 years old. Nowhere because you're not Toyota.
Toyota.
Look at that.
We
That
aren't
fence
talking Vauxhall here, boys.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That's the next one we're rebuilding.
Is that a Vauxhall?
That's a fault though. All out. This is going to become like a how to disassemble a Toyota transmission YouTube video in a minute.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Midway through. Right.
Lane.
See you on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, now is that like 60 kilos, mate? Fucking hell, why is there so many cogs inside?
Fuck!
Is that a tractor transmission or what?
That is piss simple, that, mate.
Is that it?
Yeah,
That is
that's it.
literally the whole transmission right there.
What the fuck?
All 4 gears in reverse. This is 5th right here.
Nah, 5 gears in reverse. That's mad.
Okay. 5 kilos. This weighs 75. Hang on, yeah, I want to test this out. Oh my god, that is kind of light.
How heavy is boombox?
5 kilos.
5 kilos.
So it's this fat fuck thing. Really see this is 2nd gear because it's absolutely munched to fuck.
Oh, why is man worn down, yeah?
All this in and out. It's like the smoothest thing you've ever felt in your life.
Why is it so
Oh,
smooth?
lad, what is this?
Wow.
Okay, cup of tea? Cup of tea?
Nah, cup of tea and we'll be right back.
Only
Yeah.
Vauxhalls, Fords, fucking all of those ones wear down, mate. These don't.